trap candle. So order block was mitigated. Here is the confirmation gap I have. I take a call option. If there is a no gaps, one thing only remember, in this whole area is no resistance area. Hello friends, welcome to IBD Trading. Happy Christmas to everyone. So now I am going to discuss today two things. First, I need to discuss about some scammers. See, in my public telegram, I post some person here. This person is selling my course with IBT name. Is a scammer. Okay, and it's charging 200 to 150 to $200. See, here is a is charging 200 to $150. Okay, I never take that much amount. My name is Lakmullah Naresh. I am from India. Okay, I charge for my course 10,000 rupees INR. Okay, or $120 in dollars, not more than that. Even if you ask, I will give some discount also, no issues about that. First point is, okay, just uh, beware of scammers in this industry. There is a lot of scammers, first points. And my contact details I given in this group, in this public group also, I give my personal contact details on here. And one more thing, and I will every time I will post my contact detail in my official channel below the description, below the video. In this description, see, here is my contact number. You can contact me directly through this link. Don't believe any person. Okay, this is my channel, already you know this. Even some people try to sell my course. I don't know even it is right my videos or not. Even they sell my videos in for less amount. Don't take it. Why? Because just because of that, watching that videos not going to learn anything, because you don't have any support from mentor. You don't have any support from me, because that concept created by me. So I can only clear your doubts. No one can clear your doubts, because that I am the creator of that course. I am the creator of this content. First one. And one more thing, this is ending of 2024. Everyone knows that in within 1 week we are going to enter into 2025. So I don't know how many people is they work for the dream in 2014, 2024. I don't know how many people try to achieve their goals. I don't know how many people they invest the time to learn something. I don't know. But I never say this, but I'm saying, because this is the right time to learn. You can learn not from me, you can learn from anywhere. But start learning end of this year, not of the 2025. Okay, even can start from, some people will think I will start from New Year. If you want to start the good thing, there is a no, don't need a good date, good time. Every day is good day, every time is good time. If you want to start, you can start now. Okay, you can learn from anyone, but choose right one who is giving right information about market. Okay, if you want to join my course, my contact detail already I showed now. My contact detail in the description of video and public telegram group also. Okay, let's dive into video. I will take some trades and show I want to show the reality of liquidity and fair value gap. Okay, this is my live trading. So here you see, present market is some currency pairs are giving less percent return percentage. This is because already it was late night 10 p.m. So I'm looking for some trades. If I get good opportunity, I will take the trades. Then I will explain the logic behind the trade also. Watch the video till the end. Definitely you will going to be learn something new. At this special occasion, I want to show some reality of market. Okay, see, market is simple. It was looking like uptrend. It was moving upside. In this left side, in this all left side, we have a one FVG fair, one extreme fair value gap is here. It is the unmitigated fair value gap. This fair value gap also already is mitigated. There is the only one fair value gap is unmitigated. Maybe market will move until this fair value gap. If market reverse, it will reverse from there only. Okay, I am drawing this extreme fair value gap. in this whole price lag. In that present situation, in this present situation, here is the higher high was broken. After breaking the higher high, here is the lower low. Okay, just try to understand what I'm looking here. So I am drawing some important level to take the trades. Here is the extreme fair value gap. I draw here. Here is the higher high was broken. Here is the inducement level. Here is the extreme fair value gap. In this whole price lag, we have a lot of fair value gaps. If market give any confirmation to take the trade call to the upwards, I will definitely take the trade. Then I will show the trades. Always in the market, the first gap and last gap is very important. So that's why I'm drawing the first fair value gap here, and here is the extreme fair value gap. Okay, these two levels are very important. Let's wait for the opportunity. If I have any opportunity, definitely I will take some trades, couple of trades. Then I will show the reason and logic here. Okay. One sec. Okay. Last second was placed here. I take a call option. Just when I open the chart, what I see here? Simple, it was moving upward. Okay. Simply, it was moving upward. It was broken higher, higher. Here is the inducement level. And here is the order block. Order block was mitigated here. This is the order block. After mitigating order block, market was created the gap here. So just it is, and one more reason, these sellers are enter from the exactly resistance level. See, here is the resistance level, here is the resistance level, here is the support level. This is the trap candle. So order block was mitigated. Here is the confirmation gap I have. I take a call option. Maybe it was placed last second because of the fast movement. It was placed here, and it was placed for the next minute because of the time duration. See, simple. If you understand the market, just you can take trade very easily, because I believe one thing, always market is already complicated. So never make complicate the market, just make it simple and do the trading. Okay, here is the gap, this is our confirmation. So I was take confirmation from this gap. Simple. Still there is the 11 seconds. This candle is not moving upside and downside. Maybe it is this type can be very dangerous. Sometimes it will move fast downside. Sometimes it will move upside also. Let's see. It is the first trade I was taken. So it was simply win. Okay. Still, see, it was win. So this is first trade. Even it was looking very strongly, moving downside very strongly. Still, I take a call option just because I have a lot of confirmation. All my students all know about this setup. This is very good proper setup because I have a lot of confirmation. This is the trap area. This is the trap area. This is the trap candle. This is the confirmation gap I have. This is the order block, and this is the target. And here is the extreme fair value gap. This is the first target. So all are indicating market will move upwards. Okay. Wait for the another opportunity. I am looking for some good trade. See, previously I said this. Here is the extreme fair value gap. See how market is reacting from this gap. That means not indicating to take the sell trade. This is one kind of confirmation. It was respecting. We need reversal confirmation from here. If we have any reversal confirmation, then only we look for the sell trade. Otherwise, don't look for the sell trades. Okay. If you understand, see, even market, how much it is clumsy doesn't matter. How much it is clumsy doesn't matter. If you understand the trend first. Okay, if you understand the trend first, if you understand the liquidity first, trend, second liquidity, if you understand the gaps, if and fourth one, if you understand the targets, if you understand the targets, so definitely you will be read all market. Even it was how much kilometers, that doesn't matter. You can take the trade very easy way. Okay, always market is gives a lot of confirmation to take the trade in very easy way. I take a sell trade here. See, but entry point is not good. Still, it's okay. Let's discuss about the trade first. See, here is the major high was here. Okay, major high was here. After that, market was moving with the manipulation gap and coming with the confirmation gap. This is the manipulation gap, this is the confirmation gap, and this is the proper confirmation. Market will move downside. One more thing, here is the extreme fair value gap is here. It was also broken. Okay, after breaking the extreme fair value gap also, unmitigated gap is here. So market will move at least until this gap. See, it was reacting from this gap also. So that's why I take a sell trade. Simple. I see the liquidity sweep and confirmation and manipulation, then I take a sell trade from here. Simple. So you are also trade like this. Simple, just because of the seeing gaps. See, even it was strong uptrend. Just being I'm seeing the gaps, I am taking a simple trade. So this also win. I take a two trades. Okay. How strongly market is falling down, see, because here is the manipulation gap, here is the confirmation gap. So that's why strongly market fall down. It will fall down until where? In this old price lag, here is the liquidity level. Let's see it will give any reaction from here. Otherwise there is a no gap. In this old price lag there is a no gap. That means maybe market will fall down until this swing low. If there is a no gaps, one thing only remember, in this whole area is no resistance area. So there is a no one is here to stop this momentum, this sellers momentum. There is a no one to stop the from here. So I will look for the any trade opportunity from here. I will look for the sell also. Okay, because this flow is telling me to it will move more down also. But entry point is important. Okay, still there is a 5 seconds, no issues, it will fall down, no issues, because I already said in this whole price level from here to here, this zone is no resistance zone. This is no resistance zone. If market create any green candle from here, so definitely I will look for the definitely I will look for the sell trade from here, because if it is coming from this, if it is creating any green candle from here, that means it is trap candle. So okay, see, this is trap candle. If it is giving any reaction from here, definitely I will take a sell trade. Then I will explain the reason, wait for it. Okay, it is giving any reaction from this gap or this gap, definitely I will look for the sell. But there is a no reaction, I take a sell trade here. See, I wait for the reaction, then I take a sell trade here. Then I will now I will explain what is the reason behind here. See, in this old price lag, already I said, in this old price lag already we discussed, from in this zone there is a no resistance. But just because of this support level, the green candle is appear. So that is the mean why trap. So I wait for the reaction from this gap. So it was reacted, so I enter lately, but no issues. I am expecting this candle will be closed as a red candle. If it is not closed, still it's okay for me, because I will enter again with this gap confirmation. So this was not respected, still it's okay for me, because losses will be accepted. Okay, losses will be accepted. At least I need to reaction from this gap. Definitely I will look for this sell from this gap also. Okay. Okay, I'm waiting for the reaction. Without reaction, I'm not going to take that. I am loose here, that means I am not going to say any martingale. I am not going to take immediately do directly down trade. That is not my mentality. That is not the way I am teach. That is not the way I am take the trade. That is the wrong way. So I never take the trade. That's the way. That is very very wrong. Okay, I look for the good opportunity, then only I will take the trade. See, after that the candle was moving downside strongly. Okay, no issues. So I have an opportunity here. Definitely I will look for the sell trade here. After closing this candle, I look for the sell trade easily. Okay, I take a sell trade here. See, what is the reason here? Simple trade, it is very simple trade. I lost here. Okay, after I lost, even I have an opportunity here, I didn't take the trade, because already say discussed, this is the no resistance area. And one more thing, I wait for the good confirmation, because already I was lost here. That means I am not going to take that trade very early. Okay, so here is the fair value gap, it was mitigated. Again market was create the gap, and my target was here. Already I draw here. See, it was reacting from this level also, and this is the confirmation gap, it was mitigated. This is the confirmation gap, this is the target. So definitely it will move down easily. Even it was reacting from here, it will close as a red candle. Okay, no issues. uh, Wait for the 10 seconds. I hope you learn something in this video. If you want to join my course, my contact detail in the description. Okay, please check the link below the YouTube, and in my public telegram group. I hope you will learn something from this video. If you like my content, please subscribe, share with your friends. Have a nice day, traders. Happy Christmas once again.